Hey guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be giving you guys 5 tips on how to draw hair digitally, and this video is not software specific. In this video I'm using Procreate, but that doesn't mean that you have to use Procreate for this to work. You can use any software that you like, and these tips are applicable on any software. So without any further ado, let's just jump right in. Okay guys, so the first tip is to always start with the head. Now I have seen a lot of people draw a face and then they just start they just assume where the head is and then just start drawing the hair. That is not how it goes. This is just gonna make the whole face look disproportional because you don't know where the head is and you just start drawing the hair, just assuming where the head is. So that is not how it works. As you guys can see right here, just draw the whole head, draw the whole face, and then start drawing the hair from the head and not from somewhere else. Now the next tip is about the structure of the hair that you're drawing. So the first thing is always start at the top of the head and not from somewhere else. That is done, that is basic. But also I have seen a lot of people draw straight lines when they're drawing hair. That is not how it goes. You have to actually make the hair structure go like this from the top of the head, like this. As you guys can see right here, they are coming and flowing. They're just coming up, they're just going up, then they're just flowing down, and that's how they go from the top of the head. And then you could just go ahead and draw the whole hair. So that's tip number 2, which was really basic, but a lot of people forget about these little things and then they complain that my drawing is not looking perfect. Now the next tip is to always add thin hair strands in your hair drawing. Until and unless you're not really going for that look, you can always go ahead and add thicker strands. But if you really want to add that realism to your hair drawings, then just make sure to add thinner hair strands. As you guys can see in this drawing, now this drawing is from one of my tutorials. As you guys can see, there are a lot of thin hair strands on the hair, and this is actually making the whole hair drawing look a lot more realistic than it actually is. So yeah, thinner hair strands actually make the whole hair look more realistic, also make the whole hair look more flowy and very light, and that's the look that I really like. So whatever your base color is, as you guys can see, the hair strands on this hair drawing are lighter as compared to the base color, and that's what I do. I just add some darker hair strands, thinner hair strands, and some lighter thinner hair strands, and that's how I go about it. Now if you guys want to watch the whole process of me drawing hair, then I will link all the videos down in the description as well. Now the next tip is to always add thinner, really thin hair strands at the outer edges of the whole hair drawing. As you guys can see, there are a lot of hair coming out of this edge of the whole hair drawing. Now if you look at yourself in real life, you'll see that a lot of baby hairs stick out of your head. That's what we are trying to do right here, just to make the whole drawing look a lot more realistic. Now the last tip is to always start off with a base. Now the base can be a solid color like this, as you guys can see. Now I'm not really being perfect right here, I just want to show you guys what I'm trying to say right here. So you can always go ahead and start off with a solid base, then you can go ahead and add hair strands over it like this. Let me just show you quickly. Then you can always just go ahead and add your hair strands like this and add shadows. Alpha lock it, add shadows to it like this. Or what you can do is, or what at least I prefer doing is, what I do, I always start off with a base of a lot of hair strands. As you guys can see here, it looks perfect, it looks very good. And you can add some darker looking hair strands, you can add some lighter looking hair strands like this. And then once you're happy with the base, what you can do is you can create a layer just underneath it and pick up your soft brush and just fill in those gaps really lightly like this. That's how I start off my hair drawings. That is my base for drawing the hair, and then I will proceed further with my next steps. So yeah, that was it for today's video, you guys. I really hope you guys found this quick video helpful, and if you did, please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I post every Monday and Friday. Also do follow me on Instagram, and I will link it down in the description as well. And yeah, I really hope you found this video helpful, and other than that, I will see you guys the next time.